Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I'm healthy. I have no issues in body.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. I'm Princess Mara P. Fabria. I'm 28 years old. I have two kids, one son and one daughter. I'm a mother.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single, married, or single with live-in partner?
I'm married.
You are married. When is your birthday?
January 15, 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
I'm 151 centimeter and I'm 64 weight kilogram.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
High school graduate. You mentioned that you got two kids, right? How old are those children?
My son is 8 years old and my daughter is 2 years old.
8 and 2 years old, correct?
Yes.
Okay, is your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here?
My sister
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
is also a housewife. Uh he's 29 years old.
How many brother and
She
sister do you have?
one brother and one sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I'm the eldest.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
They're all deceased.
Okay, so what about your husband? How old is he and what is his occupation?
He's 35 years old. He is a truck driver.
Okay, so in your bio data, it was stated that you have a working experience as a housemaid. Am I right?
Yes.
In which place in the Philippines?
In Cavite,
How many years you work there?
one
What
one year
year
and a
did you
half.
what year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
2024 and 2025.
2000 sorry? Just recently only.
2020, 2014, 2015, sorry.
It's okay. So can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Cavite?
I'm the one who took care of the adult. I'm the one who give her medicine, and I'm the one who cook her food.
How old is is it elderly that you take care?
Yes,
How old?
86,
Is it female or male?
female.
Female. So while taking care of this, you mentioned that you cook, is it?
Yes,
Did you do house chores, laundry and ironing at the same time?
yes, her clothes.
Okay, so after this 2015, do you have any working experience?
No, I'm a housewife now.
Oh, so after 2016 until recently, you are a full-time mother.
Yes,
So you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right?
yes,
Why you wanted to come and work as a domestic helper here in Malaysia? You know that this is a very tough job.
yes. I want to provide to my children and help my husband also.
So you need to get ready, fasten your seatbelt because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes.
Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, using of mobile handphone, are you aware that you cannot hold your phone during working time?
Yes.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finished your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work, okay?
Yes.
And then you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day, okay? But if you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house on your rest day. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree with the rules and regulations, then we don't have problem because in our initial interview, we already inform you about all these things and you also agree about it. Yeah?
Yes.
So once you come to work here in Malaysia, I don't want to hear that you will going to demand us about all of this because in the first place, you already knew it, right?
Yes.
And don't ask permissions to the employer because we will going to stick with our rules and regulations of no go out policies during rest day. Yeah?
Yes.
Normally, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, if the baby is not too playful.
Okay, but can you take care?
Yes.
You need to get ready yourself because some children here is very hyper one. Okay?
Yes.
So are you okay to take care children or baby?
Yes.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes.
So you can take care elderly, right?
Yes.
Can you do the dressing if the elderly got wounds? Are you okay to dressing the wounds?
No, I'm not okay with that. I only take care of him or her.
Why are you not okay? Because it is part also that you need to take care of the elderly.
Maybe I can do it in when I'm really need to do, but when it's my first time, I'm not really
It's okay, but at
good
least you
in.
can also, if you are really willing, then you can do it. Yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So can you cook?
Yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes.
Can you take care pets?
Yes. A dog only.
Okay, so as I have mentioned many times, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing, okay? You need to follow the rules and regulations and you need to respect the culture of the employer because this is not the Philippines. Yeah?
Yes.
Normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will be working quite far away from your family? How will you gonna handle your stress and homesick problem?
I I will treasure all the memories that my son and daughter give me.
So
A
what happened?
happiness.
What will you do if you feel sad, if you miss your children?
I call her in the night
You call them at the night.
when my chores is already done.
Okay. So any problems, any concern, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Princess. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah? Thank you
Yes.
so much and have a good night.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.